Newly elected directors at the Kenya Tea Development Agency tea factories have been urged to spearhead transformative changes within the industry. Agriculture Principal Secretary Paul Ronoh has also emphasized the urgency of addressing critical issues such as declining tea quality and increasing volumes of unsold stock at the Mombasa Tea Auction.
Speaking at the official opening of an induction and corporate governance training section for directors from Region 5, the Agriculture PS stressed the need for directors to enhance value addition of tea at the factory level to revitalize the performance and profitability of the factories. PS Ronoh noted that some factories in the region have reported a worrying decline in earnings, attributed to a combination of unsold tea stock and deteriorating product quality.
Over the last 1 month, the government have launched and commissioned one of the facility for value addition for the western part of this region when it comes to tea sector, which is at Ketepa, and the government has put up money close to 500 million to kickstart that program, and another 1.5 billion for the same program for the eastern part, which will be put in Nairobi.
Acknowledging that tea sector is a crucial component of Kenya's economy, the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development is implementing strategic programs designed to maximize the sector's potential and ensure increased returns for growers and stakeholders alike.
This year, the farmers will be able to get better bonuses, and we are looking forward to increasing, if not doubling, the bonuses for our farmers when it comes to the tea sector. Additionally, the government is also putting up a plan to ensure that the young people are also engaged in the sector so that we create employment.
The call to action by KTDA directors underscores the government's commitment to foster ethical leadership and sustainable practices within the tea industry to secure a prosperous future for Kenya's tea farmers and the broader economy.